So this is my little home studio. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. I purchased all of these items from Amazon.com. I seriously have a problem. Please sign me up for AA. Let me stop. But no, if you want to know all the items that I purchased in this video, please sure to keep watching. It's your girl Ambernicole, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be all about my home studio. I know I've been getting so many questions about what I use, what I bought, and I did do a little snippet on my Insta story, and people was intrigued. So I was like, let me tell y'all the tea, okay? Before we get this video started, I'm giving y'all natural, no lashes, nothing, just some gloss. You feel me? A little brow action. But we straight natural and over here, no nails, no nothing. I'm really about to get fine for my birthday, and I don't think y'all ready for it. I don't think y'all ready for it because, baby, I ain't been out. I ain't really got dressed. I ain't really did a full face, you feel me? Even if I'm in this house come my birthday in 2 weeks, baby is stepping outside the door to take a picture and come back in. Like, stop. But no, I'm like really excited for my birthday, and I'm gonna be fine. Like, just wait. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My little handle gonna be in the corner over there, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like, I don't know if people been taking their subscribers back, but y'all petty as hell. And you know what? It's okay. So I'm gonna get into talking about the items that I bought in the order that I bought them. But before I even get into that, I really want y'all to understand that I did spend some money on these things. Like, you don't have to go and buy all of these things that I bought, but this works for me. Like, this works for me. And I'm happy that I did it, because now when my channel blows up in like 2 months, ooh, I'm gonna have everything that I need. Like, all I need to do is get my camera, and I'm getting my camera in 2 weeks. It's an early birthday present to myself. Yes, so I'm really excited about that. So again, like, you do not have to buy all of these things. You do not. Like, as of right now, I am not using any lights at all. I am in front of my window in my studio room. So this is natural light from the window. So you can depend on natural light to do your videos and not have to buy like the light sets and stuff, but you have time frames and when you can record. You only can record during the daytime. So like, if you work during the daytime and you don't have time to record, then you just miss out on recording that day. But if you have these lights, you can record whenever you want to, right? So it definitely has its perks. Again, you just have to spend that money. So it's all in what you want to do, okay? So the first item we're gonna talk about is my ring light. This ring light is my bestie. Like, y'all, I love her so much. I didn't even name her, but I love her. You know why I love her? Because she makes my pictures bomb, okay? Like, I literally spent $100 on this ring light, and it was the best $100 I ever spent. Like, y'all know that I do hair, I do wigs, all of it. Like, I'm a lash tech technically. I just haven't even started deeping.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I haven't even dived into lashes just yet, but I am certified lash tech. I do braids, I do hair, I do it all. So this ring light right here, I need this. Like, I need this. And this was the biggest one they had. It is off of Amazon. And right now on Amazon, it's $144. So remember when I said earlier, you're gonna have to spend some money? A lot of the prices, they jumped up. So technically, I paid mine was $100. Now it's $144. So maybe you can catch a deal. Maybe you can find another one. But this one is from New Wear. New Air, and it's $100. Well, now it's $144. So I would definitely go get this ASAP because I feel like the price is gonna keep going up. It does get really, really tall. I'll show you the legs. These are the legs, and then you can flatten the legs out to make it flatter on the ground. And then this gets tall, and it comes with a selfie thingy to put your phone in. You can put your phone in here. So honestly, the best $100 ever spent. Like, this started everything for me. Like, I got this before I got any of this. And like I said before, your ring light is your best friend. Like, honestly, it's gonna enhance your pictures, like, for real. And it's just gonna look so good. I mean, not everyone has the opportunity to take pictures outside. Like, that's a new thing I've been trying to incorporate in my braids, especially when I do my clients. I really try and get pictures outside, but sometimes, you know, we don't finish to meet the daylight, so this is where this comes in. So definitely a great investment, and I'm so happy I bought this ring. So next on our list is going to be our softbox legs. I have one here and then one there. They were super, super easy to put together. Like, it took me like 5 minutes. Like, literally this cover piece comes off, and then you can see the light bulb in the middle, and then literally you just like snap these pieces on and you just turn it on. Like, it's so easy. And when I tell y'all, that amped up my pictures even more. I was like, oh, I'm in the game room. Like, this is key for your selfies, all your photos, like your product photos. Get some of these, like, seriously, y'all. These were $51.99. So they went up because when I bought mine, they were $45. Now it's $51. I mean, that's a $5, $6 difference with tax. Some people may say, okay, it's no big deal, but some people who ain't got a lot of change, like, dang, like, I don't know if I want to spend that. But the longer you wait, I just feel like the more expensive it's gonna be, right? So these came in perfect handy. They were really easy to put together. They were a decent price, and I love. On our list is gonna be our backdrop paper. This backdrop paper was $34 on Amazon, and y'all, it's pretty decent. It's real thick, you feel me? Like, it got a lot on the roll. It's easy to put up and everything like that. It's just, I think it's a little bit on the expensive side. I found another backdrop, and this is like a curtain / like cover, and it was only $12. So you can spend money on this and get it in different colors, or you can get this curtain one and get it in different colors and spend $11. It's just up to you. But as far as when I go back and buy more colors, I'm definitely gonna buy it in this one because it just seems like a better bang for the buck. I think I spent enough money already. We're not gonna buy another one of these, but I'm not saying it's not good. Like, for all means, go get it. It's great. But I don't think that someone's gonna want to spend $32 for every single color. I think that's a little crazy and excessive. So, like, they was only getting $33 out of me one time. And that's it. That's it. So that's the backdrop. And I got pink because that's the color of my logo. So whatever color you get, you want to get a color that's actually gonna match a lot of things, so that way you can use it for a lot of pictures, right? Yes. So the last thing on our list is going to be our backdrop stand. And honestly, y'all, I never even knew that it got this tall. Like, you can see, it's pretty tall. Like, this is the back of the wall. And you can have a whole photo shoot with this backdrop. Like, it's probably the best thing I probably purchased out of everything I have because it has so much versatility. Like, it can go really low, it can go really high. It's just up to you. I believe the backdrop stand, okay, it was $47.99, so $50. Remember when I said you gonna spend some money? Like, seriously, this was $50, but it was worth it, y'all. Like, I know, not a lot of people gonna want to spend that money, but seriously though, if you really want to do like photo shoots and stuff and you want to have more versatility for your videos, I will highly recommend this backdrop because it's lit, right? Litty. So altogether, y'all, your girl spent like $250. But y'all probably going to spend a little bit more than me though, because a lot of these prices didn't jumped up. Like, a lot of this stuff was not the price when I got it. I gave you all the updated prices of how much everything is. So when y'all go and purchase y'all items, you will have the right prices and everything like that. I do think that the prices are going to continue to go up, so I will highly recommend you go out and get those items as soon as possible. I don't know if a lot of people were doing YouTube at the time, and maybe that's why, but prices did go, a little bit up, so just keep that in mind when you go buy your stuff. Again, that's really about it. I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching my video, and I really hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I do have a lot of great videos coming that I want y'all to see. And if you have any questions about anything that I purchased, please leave a comment below. I am more than willing to help you